You're watching how to delete old profile pictures from Telegram on Android. Open the Telegram app and ensure you are logged into your account. Tap the three-line menu icon in the top left to open the main menu. Select Settings from the menu. On your profile page, tap on your current profile picture. This will open a gallery of your previously used profile pictures. Each picture is displayed with the date. It was set to delete an old picture. Tap on the specific image you want to remove. Once the picture is opened in full view, tap the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Delete Photo. A confirmation pop-up will ask if you want to delete the photo. Tap Delete to confirm. The selected old profile picture will be permanently removed from your profile's history. Repeat this process for any other old pictures you wish to delete. This action only deletes the picture from your profile's history. It does not affect any pictures saved in your chats or on other users' devices who may have saved it. If you want to delete your current active profile picture, you must first set a new one, then follow the same steps to delete the old one from the history. This helps clean up your profile and manage your privacy. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.